Good day, everyone. Welcome to podcast. I'm Shelby Castro Moranan.
I'm Dennis Reyes Camillas Durante. I'm Ronald Elioti de Daza.
And welcome to our podcast. Thesis statement. A strong statement for the film General Luna could be the movie of General Antonio Luna to explore the depths of Filipino disunity and the trial and the struggle of true independence during the Philippines-American War, highlighting the internal conflict that hampered the nation fighting against the colonialism and body evidence about disunity. Speaker 1. Luna was known for his strict, often harsh disciplinary methods. Speaker 2. He was a professional soldier who would receive formal military training, and he demanded the same level of discipline from his troops.
This clashed with the more regional and clannish loyalties of many Filipino soldiers and commanders.
A prime example is the Kawit Battalion, a group of soldiers from Cavite loyal to President Emilio Aguinaldo.
Luna disarmed and arrested the battalion for insubordination after their commander, Captain Pedro Junalino, refused to follow Luna, order without direct approval from Aguinaldo.
This incident created powerful enemies for Luna within Aguinaldo's inner circle. Evidence about betrayal. Evidence suggests that General Antonio Luna was betrayed by fellow Filipino, leading to his assassination.
This betrayal comes from several key groups and individuals within the Philippine Revolution government and army.
The most direct evidence of betrayal is Luna murder on June 5, 1899.
He was the son of the President Emilio Aguinaldo, headquartered in Canabatuan, Nueva Ecija.
Instead of meeting Aguinaldo, Luna was comforted by members of the Kawit Battalion soldiers from Aguinaldo's hometown of Cavite.
Evidence about struggle through independence. Speaker 1. Historical evidence shows General Antonio Luna's struggle for the true independence against both the American and other Filipino.
Luna was a strong nationalist who believed in fighting for complete independence.
He refused to negotiate with the revolutionary government who wanted a truce or a deal.
About conclusion, General Luna. Speaker 1. General Luna's story is a sad one. The biggest enemy of the Filipino was not the American but themselves.
Luna was a great soldier who wanted the Philippines to be truly free.
He fought hard and wanted the army to be strong and disciplined.
That's all for week episode. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be back soon. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a review.
That's all for this week's episode. Clearly signaled the end.
Thank you for turning acknowledge and thank you for listening for this time.